Hello and welcome back. In this video you will learn what is the local SEO specialty. Okay, first of all we are divided four main specialty. First of all, intent, information, product, service, such as people searches plumber near me, buy plumbing tools online, how to fix blocked drain. So these are the localized service. Okay, so people have a intent in localized service, localized products. So it is the one of the important specialty of local SEO. Then devices, people are searches from phone, mobile. People are not searches in desktop, laptop. So it is the one of the major specialty of mobile devices. Context, information, product, service, auto part store, garage store, how to find car battery. They have the context in the localized context. That means main difference, and also geography, area nearby. That means there is a main difference of local SEO. Everything will be localized, intent will be localized, context will be localized, geography will be localized, and mobile phone is one of the major specialty. So hopefully you understand what is the difference normal SEO and local SEO. So it will help us to understand specialty of local SEO. So this video hopefully you understand and also benefited. If you like this video, then like, comment and share my video. Thank you so much for watching this video.